Hi everybody, welcome back to Noah Kids. So today, by the title, we will be dealing with candy. Of course, right after Halloween, we're going to deal with some candy because there's a lot of candy. Today we will be sorting them in groups. There's probably good candy and bad candy. Not to be offensive to anyone, but there might be a little offensive video because I don't like certain candies, but you might like that candy, or we might sort them into what we have. But as you can see, there's some candy. Frog Stripe! Sorry. If you haven't seen my video, these are horrible, but they're delicious. I just literally poured them out, and I had a pack, and I know I poured some in here. But then I poured all the candy in here, and I'm like, God, where did it go? And now it's in my mouth. So, let's start. We're going to be setting it into two groups. Good and bad. Or bad or good and bad. We'll see. So, first we have caramel M&Ms. I don't like them. Bad. Sorry, my pug's in here. Whoppers. Never tried them. Bad. Well, actually I have, but I don't like them. Nerds. Good. Gobstoppers. Good. Empty wrapper. Bad. Lollipop. Good. Smarties, but sweet tarts. None of the brands I say is sponsored, so yeah. The bad pile is over here. Good pile is right here. This is what we're focusing on. Dum Dums, good. Reese's, delicious. Nature Valley Bar, gluten. Hershey's, good. M&M's, bad. 100 grand, never tried it, so we're going to put it in the never tried it pile. Reese's, delicious. M&M's, bad. Whoppers, bad. Gobstoppers, good. Nerds, good. Gobstoppers, good. Tootsie Roll Pop. We'll put it in the never tried. Yes, I've never tried it. Gobstoppers, good. M&M's, bad. M&M's, bad. Nature Valley Bar, can't have it. I don't know if you guys heard it, but there's like, I don't know what just happened, but I heard gunshots or something. Hans! I'm doing something. Hershey's, good. Milky Way, never tried. Sweet Tarts, good. Tootsie Rolls, kind of like it. There's 4 groups. There's bad, never tried it, and kind of like it, and then good. Good, good, good. Tootsie Roll, kind of good. Good. Gobstoppers, good. Dum Dums, good. Hershey's, good. Laffy Taffy, kind of good. Laffy Taffy, wait. Ooh, I've never tried these. It's Laffy Taffy Sweet Tarts. Saying I have never, ever, I am not sponsored by any. Lollipop, good. I feel like I'm in a Willy Wonka. Han, stop it! Sorry, he's trying to get on the table. Fruit Chews, never tried. Snickers, never tried. Yes, I've never tried Snickers. Milky Ways, never tried. Gobstoppers, good, good. Snickers. Abby. Sorry, they're trying to get up on the table. Snickers, never tried. M&M's, bad. Gobstoppers, good. Tootsie Rolls, kind of good. Fruit Chews, never tried it. Fruit Chews, never tried it. Laffy Taffy, kind of good. M&M's, good. I mean, bad. Twix, never tried it. Skittles, delicious. Twix, never tried it. Gobstoppers, really good. Twizzlers, kind of like it. Snickers. Never tried it. Tootsie Roll, kind of good. Good. Another fruit strip! Sorry, I'm so excited. I'm finding my fruit strips. Okay. Starbucks, delicious. Laffy Taffy, kind of good. Reese's, delicious. Reese's, empty wrapper. Glasses. We'll go it in the, hold on. Hey. M&M's. Bag. Bottle caps. Good. Tootsie Roll, never tried. M&M's, bad. Nerds, good. Gobstoppers, good. M&M's, bad. Three Musketeers, never tried. Laffy Taffy, kind of good. Smarties, good. Not sponsored any of those products. So yeah, this is my pile. Here is the good. Here is the bad. Never tried. Kind of good. So yeah. That's it. Just showing you what I have gotten. And here's the pile of trash and stuff I want to keep. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you. Peace. Or comment down below what you were for Halloween.